actually, for the most part, complete. We still got a couple more things to do, but I can actually take it home and start doing some break-in miles on it. Sounds pretty good. Man, this thing is all put together, as you can see. Even got my new little seat in there. Don't worry about all that stuff over there. But, oh, got my little in-dash that's already in there now from Alpine. Looking forward to actually having some decent music in here now. Even got a subwoofer back there now. It's actually nice. But, yeah, car's running smooth, sounds smooth, idle's good, all that fun stuff. But I'm looking forward to driving this thing and putting some miles on it. And taking it to meets and all that good stuff. It's a little dirty right now. I gotta get it cleaned up. It's all good. It's raining over here. Took a break from raining for a little bit so I can catch a little video, but I am looking forward to all the funness that we are going to have with this thing. It is going to be a blast, and I am looking forward to it. Man, it's gonna be a fun car. But yeah, my R32 GTR RB26 build is done. It is complete. That is it. I still gotta fix some body work on this thing one of these days, but yeah, I'm excited. It's been so many months now, and now I finally get to get the car back. Looking forward to driving this thing around and telling y'all about how this thing is and how it performs. I can't really go hard with it yet because I still got to tune it. Right now it just kind of has like its old tune on it, so it just runs. I just need to put the break-in miles on it, but when we do the real tune and make some big power, yeah, then I can start having some real fun with it. She's back. A little dirty, but she's back.